So Ali, where do you want to go after this?
I think we can go to Pantai Satubong because Pantai Satubong has beautiful beaches. Yes! Yeah! Road trip! It was fast!
Oh yes, yes.
So can you go to the shop and find some snacks, toys? Okay, just wait for me, okay? Don't go wait!
Hey Hajar, where are you from?
I'm from the toilet. I feel relief.
Yes.
Where this one come from?
Snakes.
Then I hear flowing coming from here. That's me. Gasoline is liquid.
Yes. And somewhere.
But why? Gasoline is liquid.
Can someone explain it?
Today we have a short interview session with one of the master students at Fermentation Lab in Faculty Science Resource and Technology at University Malaysia Sarawak to clarify our topic today, which is regarding to gasoline. Alright, we will start our Q&A session right now. Good morning, Mr. Nizar Shafiq bin Bustaman. Thank you for meeting us today. I know you must be extremely busy. Before we could move on to Q&A session, could you give us a short personal introduction, please?
Hi, my name is Nizar. Currently, I'm doing my master's study in my third year in biotechnology, specifically in research production of enzyme from fungal source.
Alright, now we will start our Q&A session. Gasoline. Gasoline, also known as petroleum, which is commonly used as transport fuel. So, and today we are so curious why gasoline is a liquid. Now, Mr. Nizar, could you tell us the state of matter of gasoline?
Right, when we talk about gasoline, is actually we can see with our own eyes. Gasoline is actually the state of matter of liquid. It is a liquid, and because if we are trying to categorize what is gasoline, we have to look what is the definition of liquid. The first thing is definition of liquid. Liquid is something that have definite volume, in which you can actually scale, you can actually calculate, you can actually know what is the volume of the liquid. And the second thing is liquid is something that when it fills into the container, it will take the shape of the container. So let's say that we buy 5 liters of gasoline in the petrol pump station, we fill in a container and it will take the shape of the container.
Moving to the next question. Mr. Nizar, can we know the melting and the boiling point of gasoline?
Okay, we can really say that gasoline have melting and boiling point. The first thing is because it is already a liquid, so it cannot melt. But if we refer to the fractional distillation process, the point to get the temperature to extract the gasoline is at 30 degree to 200 degrees Celsius. Same goes to the boiling point of gasoline. We can really find out what is the boiling point of gasoline because even at 30 degrees Celsius, the gasoline can be volatile, and before the gasoline even get to boil, it will either volatile or get burned. So we can really find out what is the melting and boiling point of gasoline.
Alright, as we know, gasoline consists of carbon. Mr. Nizar, can we know how many carbon atoms exist in gasoline?
Gasoline refers to the hydrocarbon which have the carbon number of 7 to 11. That's all.
Alright, Mr. Nizar, what is the property of hydrocarbon molecule at different length?
Okay, different hydrocarbon at different length refers to actually what is the number of carbon atom within the molecule of the hydrocarbon. Okay, at carbon 1 to carbon 4, for example, for petroleum gas, lighter compared to hydrocarbon, which have carbon number from 7 to 12. And carbon number from 7 to 12 is lighter than those hydrocarbon which have carbon number of 13 to 20. So these differences actually cause some difference in their properties of hydrocarbon. For example, those with smaller carbon number have small weight, so it is easily vaporized. It is easily it is more like
5 carbon will have pen, 7 sap, 3 prop, 1 mat.
Last but not least, Mr. Nizal, what is the intermolecular force of gasoline?
the intermolecular force of gasoline actually refers to van der Waals force of interaction. It is because the interaction happen between the same molecule of gasoline.
Oh, alright. We gain a lot of knowledge about gasoline from Mr. Nizal itself, especially why gasoline is leak. I hope all our questions has been answered by Mr. Nizal. And Mr. Nizal, thank you again for giving us a lot of your knowledge and your precious time.
You're welcome.
Thank you. That's all for our interview session today.
To summarize, why gasoline is a liquid. Gasoline has weak van der Waals forces, London dispersion force, which requires less heat energy. At room temperature the heat energy is sufficient for bonds to be overturned and broken loose from solids lattice state to become clusters, which is liquid form. Other than that, it also proven why gasoline is a liquid because gasoline also has range 4 to 12 carbon atoms which exists as liquid state.
Hi guys, we are from mini project group 54. So today we are going to be doing our conclusion for the project. For the summary part, which is I will elaborate. Okay, for the summary, for our 1 month of research, gasoline formed as a liquid state in room temperature due to its molecular structure. It was bound by weak bond, which is London dispersion force, that need low amount of energy to be broke. And this is why the gasoline is easily evaporated compared to water.
The London dispersion, also known as induced dipole force. London dispersion is a temporary attractive force resulting from momentary dipoles. They occur due to uneven electron distributions in neighboring molecules as they approach one another. Or they result from the weak attraction of the nuclei in one molecule for the electrons in the neighboring molecule.
We have learned to use it efficiently as we hope, but the fact remains, no other fuel delivers so much energy in such a small package with such flexibility, utility, safety and simplicity.
So as individuals, I hope we can help by using less gasoline and diesel because fuel conservation would delay the decline of Earth. We can do this if we choose to.
Gasoline has contributed a lot to our industry. For example, Malaysia has the world's largest 24 natural reserve and the 23rd largest of gasoline reserve.
Malaysia also have the world's largest production facility at a single location of liquefied natural gas with production capacity of 24.2 million metric tons per year.
Today I will be sharing the feature application for gasoline. As everyone knows, gasoline will be replenished anytime soon in the near future. That means we need to create an invention that can save gasoline as good as we can. For extra information, gasoline is in a liquid state. That means we need to create an invention not only for gasoline in gaseous state, but can be used in liquid state too. So, we need your help, your idea to create an invention that is suitable for gasoline in liquid state. Thank you very much.